ChatGPT does not flip a coin when it recommends a business. It builds a quiet case file, entity facts, third-party corroboration, reviews, structured data, answer-ready pages. If any layer is thin, your competitor wins the answer even when your website looks better. Right, so SEO still gets you found on Google. AI visibility gets you recommended inside the answer. You need both. This video is the practical trust stack AI systems lean on in 2026 and the exact gaps that make strong brands disappear from ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews. Section 1. Why trust beats traffic. Ranking number 1 for a keyword does not automatically make you the model's preferred source. Generative engines synthesize an answer. They prefer sources that reduce risk, clear identity, consistent facts, independent proof, easy extraction. A high-traffic homepage with vague claims and conflicting NAPI data often loses to a quieter brand with a clean entity footprint and corroborating mentions. Think of AI recommendation as underwriting, not advertising. The model is asking, if I put this name in front of a buyer, how likely am I to be wrong? Every missing proof layer raises that risk score. That is why businesses with strong Google Ads spend still get skipped, and why a smaller firm with dense local proof can win the shortlist. Section 2, Layer 1, Entity Identity. Before AI can trust you, it has to know who you are as one entity. So legal name, DBA, domain, Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, industry directories, and schema must agree. If ChatGPT sees 3 spellings, 2 phone numbers, and a city that only appears on your footer, confidence collapses. Audit this like a data quality problem. Pick 1 canonical name string, 1 primary category, 1 address format, 1 phone, propagate it everywhere, then publish organization or local business schema that matches the public profile, not a marketing slogan. Entity clarity is not branding fluff. It is the root node the rest of the trust graph hangs on. Section 3. Layer 2, third-party corroboration. Models overweight, independent sources, industry roundups, local news, association directories, partner pages, podcast show notes, and comparison articles all act as outside witnesses. Your homepage says you are the best. A chamber listing, a trade magazine mention, and 2 partner case studies say you exist in the world. You do not need a Wall Street Journal feature. You need a dense, accurate footprint where other domains repeat your category, location, and specialties in plain language. Guest posts still help when they teach something real. Sponsorship pages help when they name the business clearly. Avoid thin press release spam. AI is getting better at discounting hollow mentions. Section 4. Layer 3, Reviews and Lived Proof. Reviews are not vanity stars. They are free text evidence of who you serve, what you deliver, and where you operate. Detailed recent reviews that mention services, neighborhoods, and outcomes give models extractable claims. A 5-star average with empty text is weaker than a 4.8 with specific stories. Respond publicly, encourage specifics without scripting fake language, and keep profiles active on the platforms your buyers already use. For local services, Google Reviews plus 1 vertical platform often beats 10 empty directory profiles. For B2B, G2, Capterra, Clutch, or industry forums can matter more than Yelp. Match the proof surface to the buyer journey. Section 5. Layer 4. Structured facts machines can pass. Schema markup, clean hours, service area, product attributes, FAQ entities, and consistent category labels reduce ambiguity. When your site is a JavaScript shell with no server-rendered facts, crawlers may see almost nothing. When schema says one thing and the visible page says another, trust drops. Prioritize high-signal schema. Organization, local business, product or service, FAQ page, and article where appropriate. Keep prices, availability, and contact data honest. Structured data is a cheat sheet only if it matches reality. Empty or contradictory schema is worse than none. Section 6. Layer 5, answer-ready, first-party content. Even with perfect identity and reviews, AI still needs something quotable on your domain. Short definition blocks. Step-by-step how-tos, comparison tables, pricing ranges when you can share them, FAQ pages that answer the exact questions buyers type into ChatGPT. Long, clever brand essays often lose to plain pages with clear headings and self-contained paragraphs. Write the answer in the first 2 sentences. Support it with 1 concrete detail. Link related services. Update dates when facts change. Extractability is a trust feature because models prefer sources they can cite without inventing. Section 7. How the layers compound and what to fix first. AI does not require perfection on every layer on day 1. It requires enough independent signals that point the same direction. The fastest path for most businesses is this order. First, unify entity identity everywhere. Second, fix crawlable facts and schema. Third, strengthen reviews with specific language. Fourth, earn a handful of real third-party mentions. Fifth, publish 5 to 10 answer pages mapped to the prompts you actually want to win. Do a weekly trust check. Ask ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Status, and Perplexity the same buyer prompts. Screenshot who appears. Note how you're described when you do appear. Wrong category, wrong city, or missing specialties are entity bugs, not content bugs. Scope was built to surface those gaps across AI platforms so you are not guessing in the dark. Get your free AI visibility score at scope.online. Enter your business, see where you show up and where the trust stack is thin, and leave with a prioritized fix list. SEO still matters. Pair it with AI visibility and you cover the full discovery path buyers actually use in 2026. Link is below. If this helped, subscribe for the next deep dive.